Chat, I got a question. Chat, I got a question, okay? My friends, bro, one of them said I was smart, the other said I was, like, stupid, alright? Hear me out, right? If heat rises, right? How is it so cold in the north but so warm in the south? Think about it. Bro, I had the snow in the jungle. Bro, think about it. I want y'all to think about it real quick. If heat rises, how is it so cold in the north but so warm in the south? Bro, I'm being dead serious. Think about it, chat. Y'all know I'm onto something. Chat, I'm onto something with that, bro. Science is not real. Like the study of how heat travels and stuff, it ain't real, chat. I'm telling you. Okay, which way do I go? We're going back over here. Chat, come on. Come on. Y'all know I'm right. Y'all know I'm right. How does it happen? Why is it so cold in the north but so warm in the south if heat rises? Because last time I checked, chat, north, east, south, west, north and south, heat rises, doesn't go down. Because the earth is on a slightly curved axis, so the south is closer. Closer to what? What is the south close to? Oh, nah, send this team back to the war. Bro, what do you mean the south is closer? Closer to what? The sun? No, it's not, bro. The sun is like rotating above us. Chat, let me get a quick demonstration, alright? Hold on, let me get in a little hidey hole real quick. Alright, let me get a quick demonstration. Alright. So we'll pretend that that's a perfect circle actually. And we'll just say this is like Earth, right? Like this thing right here. Hold on, let me get some nice little green patches. Alright, actually let me erase the outer edges. Perfect. Alright. I don't like this. Let's retry this. Let's retry this, right? So this is Earth, right? This is our humble abode. Alright, cool. Right? And then the rest is like water and stuff. Okay, right, alright, cool. Now, the Earth, right? The Earth, it spins, right? It goes like this way and then comes around and it goes this way and then it comes around and goes this way. It's like an everlasting cycle, right? That's how we get the years. That's how we get 365 days. Right? 365 days. Cool. So, the sun, this dude, right here, right? He's like, oh, I'm all hot and shit, you know? But he's also rotating the opposite direction. So he's going like this, right? But he's like above us. He ain't below us. He's like above us, right? So this is the north, this is the south, and heat rises, it goes up. How does this dude produce heat going down, but then the heat don't go up? You know? The sun, prime example of the American school system, bro. The earth is spinning around itself, creating day and night, and spinning around the sun, creating the seasons. Night. The land looks like mold spores. We acknowledge the accuracy of the continents. Wait. Oh, I'm all hot and shit. The sun don't. Bro, I'm dead serious. How does it happen? I feel like we need a better demonstration, bro. I'll get a good demonstration, chat. Trust. Why is it not going back? Don't save. This is bro. This is not rage bait. I'm dead serious. This is not rage bait. I'm dead serious, chat. Y'all think I'm like not being serious or something? Hey, let's get a circle going. This right here, right? That's a circle. We'll fill it. We'll fill it with blue. Oh, wait, no, let's get black. And then can we like fill it? Cool. Cool. Oh my god, wait, this is so much better. Wait, chat, look at this. Look at this. This is so much better. How many continents are there? It's like 10? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cool. Okay, cool. Cool, cool, cool. So, right, alright, so here's the sun. Wait, let's get another circle for the sun. Alright, the sun, right? He's all hot and shit. Bro, it's set. Bro, okay. Nah, now you're rage baiting. Because ain't no way you just said the same number as the number that Jinxie hates. Bro, come on, Jen. I'm not dumb. I'm not stupid. I'm locked up here. Yo, I'm onto something, chat. I'm onto something here, right? So we got the sun, right? So we're rotating this way, right? So like here's the lines for the rotation. Right, so we're going this way, then we're going this way, then we're going back this way, and blah blah blah, you know. And the sun, he's rotating around the opposite way because he wants to be all different and shit, you know. He don't want to be the same as us. He wants to be different, right? So that creates the night and day cycle. But then the sun, right? It produces heat, like heat rays, like he said, like I'm all hot and shit, you know. So, but heat, right? It rises. So when the heat hits the Earth's atmosphere, why is it not rising towards the north? Why is it not rising towards the north? You know, even if it hits south, sure, south they can have their heat for a little bit, but then the heat should rise. So how does that make the north so like cold, but the south so hot? Wait, the south so hot, you know? It's 7. You're dumb. Name all the continents right now. He's making me want to pull out my geography notes and make a presentation. Then why is space cold? Because the sun ain't in space. It's around the sun. Nah, no, that was HP. The sun. See, space is cold because space don't have no atmosphere. Okay, so like, say this is space. This whole pink area, that's space, right? And like the sun's in it too, and all that, and like there's other planets and stuff, whatever. So, but space, it don't got atmosphere. So when the sun produces heat waves, right? Let's make it yellow or red. Let's make it more seeable. When the sun produces heat waves in space, chat, I'm telling y'all, space is like, here. This is space, right? He's like. He goes F off, son. Like he's, and then the sun, right? He goes from happy to sad. Cause space is like, it don't got no atmosphere. So the heat can't travel anywhere. So it's just saying, nah, you son. He low-key, right? This is why the ice caps are melting. Thank you. I rest my case. Chat. Earth is a scam. Geography, science, it's all bullshit, chat. The basic problem here is that you take the Earth as circle and not a ball. At least I'm not saying it's flat. Jeez, I could have put it as a square. Like, come on now, chat. I rest my case. So basically, what we got from here today, chat, is the sun. The sun don't like space. The space don't like sun. And the sun, it producing heat rays. But I think, Chad, this is where I think like Columbus, when he sailed the ocean blue, he was probably in the south and said, oh, if I'm in the south, then that's the north up there, right? But really, he was in the north, because if he was in the north and he said, oh, the north, which is really the south, oh, the north's up here, that would explain why the heat waves aren't traveling. So really, right? The south is the north, and the north is the south, and then the east is over here, the west is over here. Guys, tell me, aren't the ice caps melting because too much CO2 in the atmosphere? So, chat, really, if you live in the northeast, you live in the southwest. Because if you lived in the northeast and it's not getting warm up there, that's because you're in the south. He just got a little mixed up, you know. His compass was a little off. He dropped it a few times, you know. Columbus, he ain't that smart. I rest my case. Christopher Columbus is a goofball. That's what I'm saying. Chat. He's from Dirty Docks. Bro, he was trifling. He was from Dirty Docks. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, chat. He was wrong. And we perceived the Earth wrong the entire time. The north is really the south. And the south is really the north. That's west. The north. I don't think Columbus was the one who discovered space. I didn't say space. I said north, east, south, and west. To be honest, you are all wrong. The Earth is hollow and radiates from within the hollow Earth. Heat the planet up, but but because the heat going up, the ice caps are melting. Bro, but the heat's not going up because if the heat was going up, right? Okay, chat. Here's another example, right? So say right here is the equator, right? If the heat was going up, it'd be going that way, but it's not. It's going this way. So really, the Earth needs to be turned around. It needs to do a little 360 real quick. Like instead of like this, it needs to be like this. Or wait, no. So say it's right here, right? So say this is like this. It needs to be one more time. So it's like this. So now it's upside down. So now like say for example, chat. Canada. Canada is really down here, and Hawaii is like somewhere up here. And like say we're in the U.S., right? California is really over here. Florida is really over here. North Carolina over here is really right there. You know what I'm saying? And Arkansas over here, it's really like over here. You know, it needs to be like flipped completely, like mirrored almost. You know? Am I making sense, chat? Christopher Columbus, more like colonizer Columbus. El Rage Bait, bro. What? This is not rage bait. I'm telling y'all facts. I'm onto something, chat. I'm locked. Y'all ain't seen it yet, bro. I'm onto something. Chat. Oh yeah, it's because the gravity is reversed in the hollow Earth. Exactly, bro. I'm about to take out a presentation, bro. I'm telling y'all, chat. I'm onto something. Y'all can't tell me I'm not. Cause why would the heat not travel up? I rest my case. Chat.